Hey guys, how you doing? This is Marcello back again from Republic Services. I wanted to ask you guys if you guys work at a facility or a site that your waste is primarily cardboard, plastic, paper, basically light waste. And have you had issues sometimes when the driver comes servicing it, it's not emptied all the way? I had a scenario that potentially could have that same effect, but we managed to proactively install a solution to avoid that. I'm visiting one of my customers down at Six Flags, and they have a 4-yard container on site. And they wanted to go with an 8-yard, going maybe twice a week, but most of their waste, as you can take a look here, is mostly cardboard, basically just a whole bunch of cardboard. They're a logistics company. So I already knew that chances are, as you pack that material in that front load container, it's gonna get jammed up. So what I suggested was for them to go with our 15-yard roll-off container. Now what that allowed them to do is to easily load the container with their cardboard, plastic, shrink wrap, as you see there, cardboard rolls, everything. And the benefit for them is their load time has shortened dramatically. Also, they are reducing their carbon footprint, because what we're going to be doing now is they only need to have one pickup a month rather than having 2 times a week. And their bill will be potentially less because their material is light in nature. So if you would like to talk more about how we could explore a solution similar like this at your site, give me a call at 678-683-9136 or send me an email. It's in my profile. Thank you very much for watching this video, and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.